we need to use the alternating series test to determine the convergence of the given series. We know that for the alternating series test, series should be given in one of two forms. So it's either the sum of from n equals 1 to infinity of -1 to the power of n times an, or it's the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of -1 to the power of n plus 1 times an. In our case, it's the first option, so our series is given in this form, and as you can see in our case, an equals sine squared of n times n. Conditions for alternate series are that an is larger than 0. In our case, it's true because sine squared is always larger than 0 and n is always larger than 0. So an is larger than 0, and limit of an where n approaches infinity equals 0. This is the first condition, and the second condition is that series should be decreasing. So the series an is decreasing. Well, now let's check these two conditions. If both of them are true, then our series is convergent. First of all, let's look at the limit of an. So the limit of, let me write it here. So the limit of an where n approaches infinity equals limit of sine squared of n times n where n approaches infinity. As you can see, this does not equal 0. This does not equal 0. So our first condition is not met, and that means that our series is not convergent.